Hi, I'm Matthias. Nice to have you here. Today we connect Facebook page data to Claude so you can prompt whatever is available in your Facebook page data inside Claude. As a first step, you head to onboard.windsor.ai. On here, you search for Facebook page or organic. Then you grant access. Once this is done, all the pages you have access to will appear in the dropdown. Now you select the pages you want to prompt. Once you have done that, in Claude, in the settings page, click on connectors, browse connectors, and in here, you search for Windsor, you click plus. Now there is a confirmation that we are connected to Windsor.ai. I double check here in the connector section. I see Windsor.ai. So now I'm all good to go. Let's make a simple prompt. How many page fans do I have on my Facebook page? So now the page, which I have connected, Windsor.ai, sadly only has 214 fans. I hope yours has more, but that shows you how to prompt data from Facebook page. There are more prompts available. We have a prompt library, and of course, feel free to create your own prompts. Thanks very much for watching and enjoy working with this Claude connector.